Alright, we're back. We got part 9. Back in here. There's some spot welds that need to come out. I counted about 7 of them. And hopefully that's all. I have to take out your radiator core support anyway, so it's about as far as I can get it. And hopefully that part of it will be down to 2 bolts holding it in and these spot welds on the side, and we'll still need to do that yet. But part 10 coming up.